In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle questions in Microsoft Word, whether you're preparing a test, quiz, or any document with listed questions. Being able to shuffle them can add an element of randomness that's sometimes just what you need to keep things interesting. Let's dive right into the process. First, what you'll want to do is open Microsoft Word. Depending on your setup, you might see a range of options right away. You can either choose a blank document to start fresh or open an existing one where your questions are already laid out. If your questions are ready, it's time to move on. Now, unlike some software that offers a direct shuffle feature, in Microsoft Word, we'll employ a manual cut and paste approach. This method gives you complete control, allowing you to strategically decide where each question should go. Let's get started with how it works. You'll need to highlight the question you want to move. Simply, click and drag your mouse across the text of the question until it's selected, or you can click at the beginning of the question and hold down the Shift key while clicking at the end. With the question highlighted, we'll cut it from its current position. This is easily done by pressing Ctrl and X on your keyboard, which removes and copies it to your clipboard, ready for pasting. Next, decide where you'd like to place your question. Click your cursor into the location in the document where you want to place this question. To paste the question, just press Ctrl and V. Your question will be inserted at this new location. To effectively shuffle your questions, you'll repeat this cutting and pasting process for each one. The cut and paste method is simple but powerful, providing you complete control over the order. You can move questions one at a time until you're satisfied with the new sequence. A few tips while you shuffle. Take a moment to ensure that each question is entirely selected before cutting, including any bullet points or numbers if your list uses them. Also be careful not to inadvertently paste over another question. If you do, don't worry. Just press Ctrl and Z to undo the last action and try again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively shuffle and rearrange your questions in Microsoft Word to suit your needs. This flexibility can be a real asset in creating dynamic documents, and with practice, you'll find this approach both straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy editing!